Right, Jamie Ashby, this one's for you, sir. Now, you're going around telling everybody you dog shite here. Going down telling everybody around here, especially my Auntie Josie and cousin Paul and Paul Steve, you know, that you can do 33 press-ups in 33 days. Now the challenge is 22 in 22 days for the veterans, the American and the English soldiers that are killing themselves all the time, you dog shite you. Now, I'm going to show you how to do 22 press-ups, you fucking piece of shite. I'm going to tell you and I'm going to show you. You come down here, you come down to my rack and I'll show you. Oh, yeah, fucking, I'm gonna smash you up, you bastard. Oh, I'm gonna do you 22 now. Watch me do it. Now, right now. Look, 1, you bastard. 2, you bastard. 3, you bastard. 4, you dog shite. 5, you donkey ass. 6, bloody 7, bloody 8, bloody 9, 10, even 11, 12, you fucker. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's 20, you bastard. 21, and that's 22. Now, the last thing I want to say to you is you better be fucking doing it. Otherwise, I'll come down there and I'll give you this one George and this one Michael. And together we'll give you a careless whisper, you bastard. Right, let that be a lesson to you, you dog shite. Bastard, you.